Stop fighting your own brain. I spent years stuck in a loop of distraction, trying to force productivity with generic tools. It was exhausting. Then I activated MYEQ.PRO, and the shift was immediate. First, it fixed my focus. The engine calibrated the audio to my specific hearing profile, creating a sonic mask that literally turned off the noise in my head. I went from struggling for focus to 4 hours of automatic deep flow. But the real transformation? It turned my workflow into a creativity factory. This isn't just a tool, it's a generator. It allows me to produce studio-grade video and audio assets effortlessly. I stopped being just a user and became a production powerhouse. My output hasn't just improved, it has multiplied. I'm not just working hard anymore. I'm generating value on autopilot. This is what peak performance actually looks like.